crazy Unity sales coming up. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, this is Omar Balfaki and welcome to my game development and filmmaking channel. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing Unity sale where it's going to definitely save you a lot of money. As you can see here, they have the quick start bundle, June 10% off, but I'm here today to talk about the $2 asset deals. So if we go in there, we will see a lot of assets that they used to cost so much, like $200, $120, and now you can just get them for $2, $2.50, and it ranges from characters to animations and even environments and VFX. One thing I like to do when searching for assets, I would check the on sales and then I'd filter them out. Like for instance, I'm looking for animations. So I'm just going to take the animations here and I'll see the discounted ones. And if I'm looking for creatures, I'm just going to click creatures here and we see them in front of us. So you can go and check them out. But of course, remember, don't buy anything if you don't have anything saved for such event. Don't just buy it because it's on sale. Buy it if you really want them. And I'll show you what I got. Here we have 27 NPC characters. They used to cost $220 and I just got it for $2.20. And then here 26 creatures. It used to cost $3.50, got it for $3.50. And the skeleton, I might use it for a game I'm working on. And these aliens, they could be used in a game or even a short film. And then here we have this soldiers pack, and I've used one of the characters in the Impossible Mission teaser trailer, which is a Mission Impossible fan-made short film I'm working on. I'm just releasing the teaser today. Go watch it, enjoy, I hope you like it. And more characters, 21 characters for just $2.40. And then this crazy package. It's a football simulator. It used to cost $12.50, which is nothing honestly, and now it's $2. So the least we could do is supporting these publishers. It's amazing. All of this just for $2. It's insane. And then we have the step placement tool, iStep. Like, yeah, we know that it could be programmed. It's just $2 and it's gonna save you a lot of time. So I just got it. And then here, this interactive robe tool. For sure, I know that I'm gonna use it somewhere. And then here we have the animations, more animations, and some rifle animations. And finally, some parkour animations. This could be amazing in a chase scene if I'm using it for a short film. Super cool. And to make things even more interesting, there is a coupon code which gives you 25% off of any purchase, even if there are discounts. And I've used it on the purchases that I've just made, and it saved me additional 25%. And by the way, if you want any of my tools, I just created a bundle for all of my 3 tools. It's going to save you a lot. And on top of that, you can get it with additional 25% off. So that's definitely going to save you a lot of money for my tools. And of course, any other assets that you're going to use this coupon with. And again, remember, don't make any hasty decisions. Think about it. If you really need those assets or you've saved for that, then get it. Otherwise, just ignore it. Watch the teaser that I released and enjoy it and just forget about this sale. This is Omar Balfaki. I hope I helped you save some money today. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.